For that, and it's very curious, we looked at the SUV market, the C SUV market. As you know, SUVs represent almost 50% of all the cars that are sold in the C segment. And we concluded several things. The first thing is that the SUV market is becoming totally mainstream. So it means that nowadays, everybody has an SUV. The second thing is that SUVs, they rely on two main factors for their success. That is the combination of the fact that they have great looks with good functionality. And the third conclusion was the fact that those trendsetters, those consumers that are more progressive, the ones that were buying the SUVs like 7-10 years ago, they are not in SUVs anymore. And they are starting now to look for the great thing that will come in the future, so the new generation of products that somehow they can identify with. So imagine that we grab those same elements that have made SUVs so successful in Europe, and we basically put them together in a totally different recipe. A combination of stunning design with a practical body type. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the ProCeed.
When we start working internally, analyzing data, analyzing the market and so on, one thing that we concluded was that the more trendy consumers that in the past were buying SUVs because of the look and the space, they are not in SUVs anymore because SUVs now are very, very mainstream. That's one of the reasons why four-door coupes, for example, are growing. And we thought this could be a really good answer to those consumers and a product that can help the Ceed to become even stronger in the European region.
When we saw the very first version of this one, it was a concept car. I think it was back in Frankfurt last year. It was called a shooting brake. Have you been inspired also by Mercedes-Benz? We, I think, reintroduced the shooting brake topic after 100 years. I mean, Rolls-Royce was first 100 years ago or something, but now Mercedes reintroduced it. You have been inspired from them?
So we look at what they were doing, mainly looking at what kind of consumers they had in their shooting brake and what are the source of those consumers. So we understood a lot of from their strategy how that could apply to us. And after that analysis, we believed that this could be a very good solution for us, mainly to conquer in this very competitive segment, to be able to attract consumers from other brands that historically have been buying products from other brands, that now would see in the ProCeed a very attractive body type and proposition in the market that they could apply for. So yes, we look at them, but nevertheless they are not competitors of Kia. We are a mainstream manufacturer, they are a premium brand. It's a totally different league.
And there's a very important difference. You have 7 years warranty on your cars.
Yeah, definitely. And we were awarded with a lot of awards in terms of quality, besides the 7-year warranty. That for us it's like a stamp of trust in our quality that we believe that consumers also appreciate when they buy our cars.